Hello, and welcome to my video about my project Snippet Saver. Snippet Saver is a MERN project with React on the front end and Node.js on the back end. I wrote both the front end and the back end. The motivation for this project is that I'm writing a lot of CSS, I'm doing a lot of leet code, I'm involved in a lot of activities where there might be a 20-line long chunk of code that I want to save somewhere, and I got kind of tired of filling up that text document on my desktop and losing stuff. Further than that, I thought it'd be kind of fun if my friends could go ahead and make and contribute to this community of people who are saving snippets as well. So this is basically just a way to save code snippets that involves an authentication system that allows users to selectively share snippets either globally or keep them to themselves in their own collection. So let's start playing with this. So on the left here, you'll see that we have a list of snippets. If we click on one, it'll expand. So here's the code that we're trying to keep. It tells us which language it's written in, how many people have liked it, some notes about it, and who the author is and when they made it. You can search the public snippets if you wanted, for instance, to find something on a specific topic. You can also sign up and create an account. I would actually recommend that you do this if you want to play with this and get a feel for it. Use any email you want. There's no checking, so if you want to use a burner, go right for it. So let's go ahead and log in and play around with what this has to offer. There we go. All right, so this is our home page. On this home page, we have a list of snippets that we, as this user, have created in the past. You'll notice that here we can actually create a snippet. So let's do that real fast. Let's make a new snippet. Let's say it's JavaScript. All right, so we'll submit that. And we'll see that now this snippet is added to our list here. We can also edit snippets. So right now, because this is public, we go here and search for new snippet. You'll see that we can find it, and our friends could find it as well. In fact, anybody who visits Snippet Saver would be able to find this snippet now. But let's say we don't want it to be public, so let's click on that. We'll go ahead and edit, and then we'll flip this switch to make it private. There we go, and now you see there's a little lock next to it. And now if we search for that same thing, you'll see that it doesn't come up. Another really cool thing that we can do while we're logged in is we can actually like snippets. So if we click this button, that'll indicate that we're adding it to our list of favorite snippets. And then when we flip this switch, it actually only displays snippets that we've liked. The last thing that I'm going to show you that we can do while we're logged in is how to delete snippets. So if you click on Edit, you can hit Delete. And there we go. So it's deleted from our list. In addition to being able to create, edit, update, and remove snippets, we actually have a couple of account options. So if you go ahead and enter an email address that is related to a valid user, it'll send you a token that allows you to reset the password. You can also delete your account and remove all of the data. So I'm going to log out here, and that brings us back to where we started. So this is kind of a fun little project. I really encourage you to go check it out. I think it feels really nice and is pretty intuitive and easy to use. So go ahead and visit my website, dthomas.io, and navigate to the Snippet Saver project and see what you think. Thank you.